Ndumiriri ya perikansagra mwene ndemu ya Patel mwena wa Solai kaunti ya Naikuru ironeka gukorwo na utiganu na ya honge itiganite cia thirikari iria ikoretwo ikiuga ati ndemu ino ndiari nginyaniru.
If that was the case, they would already stopped us. They have all of the authority. The power is vested in them.
Kuringana na Pere, to ndemu iria iraunire ihitukitio ni ruhonge rwa Warma no nginyagia iria ingi mugwanja ni njagiriru.
One of the dams was probably in worse shape. We saw cracks on that dam.
And we've been paying all our fees on time, and they have been coming continuously to have a look and inspected these dams.
Pere arauga ni makoretwo makihingia maundu mothe maria magirirwo na koguo murigo wa mutino uyu nduri iguru riao.
From reliable information by Warma officials on the ground, only the collapsed dam was licensed out of the 7 on the disaster.
I mean, it's very hard for me to fathom that such a large construction, such a large-scale operation can escape the notice of the authority.
Nayo kamiti ya Senate iria iracerete mwena wa Solai kaunti ya Naikuru ni yendekithitie andu aria maraikara cukuru-ini wa imwana wa Solai mathamirio kundu kwagiriru, mihango ya gwetha aria mangikorwo makuirwo ni mai ithie na mbere na uthuthuria wigie mutino uyu uthie na mbere. Kamiti no ni iraniire ati thirikari no iguthie na mbere guteithiriria aria marorirwo ni indo cia kwiyaka. Thirikari ya Naikuru yugite ni yehereirie aria othe marahutirio ni mutino uyu marihi ma thibitari.
So tomorrow we expect Kenyans of goodwill from all walks of life to converge here in Solai.
Kama ni vitu za kujenga na vingine tuweze kusaidia hawa waadhiriwa ndio waweze kuendelea na maisha yao. Nayo mihango ya mehaririria ma mahoya ma hamwe o hamwe na mehaririria ma guthika aria marakwirire mutino-ini ucio no marathie na mbere. Mahoya macio magatabanirio kanitha-ini wa AIC wa Solai kaunti ya Naikuru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.